What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got an epic, insane video planned for you guys. But real quick before we get into that, just want to give a special shout out to everyone that has hit that subscribe button and joined the FastLaneD gang. If you hit that subscribe button, it costs nothing to you and it helps out the channel more than you know. We're currently not in my garage, but we do have my Yamaha R1 right here. We got my brand new, if you saw my last video, Supermoto Husqvarna 701. We're just missing my Harley Davidson V-Rod muscle, baby. So we got sport bike content, we got supermoto content, and we got cruiser content. What? Oh my goodness. If you love motorcycles, you are in the right place. Also, later this week, I'm going to drop a behind the scenes video because I probably did 20 wheelies across the bridge you're about to see on this bike. It was insane. I don't know how we didn't get the cops caught on us because this bike is not quiet by any means, but it was so much fun. Jamin was flying his drones in between cars. He flew it in between me and my other buddy with his R1. Like, this was just insane. Like, we went back over him, he was shaking because it was such an adrenaline rush. It was nuts. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Show my boy Jamin some love because he rushed and edited this video so that we could get it up to you in time. Also, drop a comment down below if you want to see more of this stuff because Jamin and I can definitely hook up and get more cool FPV drone shots. But without further ado, let's get into this video, baby. Woo!